Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside the chat where you want to share your spot. First, tap the paperclip or plus icon in the message bar. This opens attachment choices. Make sure WhatsApp has location permission, choose, while using the app so sharing works in real time. Once that permission is granted, tap location from the menu. This moves you immediately into the map view and prepares the app to find your current GPS position. Once the map appears, decide what you need. Send a static current location or share live location for movement tracking. If you choose live location, pick a duration so people stop seeing you automatically. This protects privacy. You can also press and drag the map pin to fine-tune the dropped marker or attach a short message explaining where you are. Remember, live location drains battery more, so use shorter durations when possible to conserve power. Tap send for a one-time share or start to begin live location. You'll see a map pin or a timer bubble in the chat confirming it worked. Once done, you can stop live location anytime from the chat by tapping stop sharing. If the location won't send, make sure GPS is enabled and WhatsApp has permission. Toggle location off and on, restart the app, and check network connectivity. If problems persist, reboot the phone to clear any stuck services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.